Hey, now cutie.
Yes?
You wanna do a roast battle?
Sure, why not? But don't be surprised if you lose.
Oh, really? Your teeth are so yellow that when you show them while you're on the road, you cause cars to slow down.
Oh yeah? Well, your teeth are so yellow that I can't believe it's not butter.
Oh, really? You're so ugly that when you went to a haunted house, you came out with a job application.
You're so ugly that when you looked at your reflection in the mirror cracked. Yeah, you're that ugly. And you're so skinny that when I shook your hand, you gave me a paper cut.
Well, guess what? You're so stupid that you stopped at a stop sign and waited for it to say go.
Well, that's why you look like a goth. You're so gothic that you could seriously be in the TV show Wednesday and play Wednesday's long-lost twin.
Well, you're so pink and girly that you make the Disney princesses that are girly girls look like a bunch of goths.
Do I really? I don't think so. But I guess goth guy and girly girl are a good duo.
Yeah, they do. But I'm not a goth.
I know. I was just playing with you.